Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make picture transparent in Microsoft Publisher. So get let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show make transparent picture. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for a picture option. Now select find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for insert option, then resize your picture. Now going to the format option, then click for adjust option, then transparency from 50%. Now for OK, that it's. Then again click for image, then click for adjust option, then transparency 60%. Now for OK, that it's. Then we show make picture transparent Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.